Alright guys, so this thing looks pretty freaking... Dude, this thing's crazy. Dude, this thing's huge.
I don't know if I like it this big.
Alright guys, so she's all tucked away as you can see, all back in the corner ready to get worked on, but we got Mathews' Jeep in here first. We're about to throw some new wheels on here. These are actually his old wheels he had, but he got new tires. So he just went up to 40s, which these things are freaking massive. Like, these things literally are insane. They're 40s by 1550 wide, and they're gonna look pretty sick on his Jeeps. What do you think, Mathews?
I'm pretty excited.
Yeah, I know, me too. They're gonna look pretty insane.
If only they sent me these studs like 2 months ago.
Yeah, he's been in
For the perfect size.
I know. He's been in a little bit of a hassle getting these wheels on because of the studs. They sent him the wrong studs and a whole bunch of BS because he has to run adapters to fit these wheels because these are 8-lug wheels and this Jeep is obviously not 8-lug. So we'll get them mounted up though. This should look pretty sick. And of course we got Princess and Max helping out, so you know, should be super easy. Alright, take that, crusty son of a bitch. Hey, you versus the guy she told you not to worry about. You're not gonna put Loctite on that shit?
You think I should?
Yeah.
Do we have any?
I don't know. I might. That thing's expensive though.
Fuck you.
It's like $20 for a bottle.
No, it's not, bitch. That's just like $4. Bro, Judah is such a Jew, man. You guys hear this kid, dude. Won't even let me use his Loctite. Boom. That shit, I bet you $9.
I bet money this is $20. I swear.
$9.
Thread locker.
Bro, they sell the little pack for like $1.99.
Yeah,
bro.
but this is the nice stuff.
Yeah, but this is all I need is.
You got the skills? Yeah, you
Put it up.
Yeah, you gotta lift it up on there. Can you lift that wheel all on your own? That thing's no joke.
Oh, look at that!
Damn, son.
Woo!
Damn, son.
You ain't never rocked
Bro, that whole wheel sticks out, Mathews.
I never rocked like that.
Dude, that thing's insane. Bro, the whole wheel sticks out. Put Princess up on there. Princess, hop up on there real quick. Is she gonna fall off?
No.
She's straight. Look at Princess on the wheel. We gotta take this thing for lunch.
Yeah. And the bucket seats.
The bucket seats, yeah, let's show him the bucket seats. All right, guys, so he's working on his Jeep currently, so he's got a lot of stuff going on. So let's check out these bucket seats he just put in here. Look at it. These are nice, bro. What brand are these?
Your local.
Your local hardware, your local family-owned hardware store. But he's got some new stuff on the way. Don't worry. Don't sleep on your boy. Damn, son, the final wheel. Alright guys, so this thing looks pretty freaking... Dude, this thing's crazy.
You think my tire will rub on that back?
On the back piece?
So
no, bro, it's not that close. Look at it. It's kind of far in too, because your wheels stick out so far. Look, you got plenty of room.
Yeah, but like one, like, I'd rather bend it. So
yeah, we can bend it in. Or cut it off. Dude, this thing's huge.
I don't know if I like it this big, bro. I don't like big ass vehicles like
Dude, this is huge.
This thing looks sick. Oh my god, I'm so happy.
Yo, follow me on Instagram. Follow your boy for sneak peeks like this. Dude, this thing's so big.
It is.
It's literally massive. Like, massive.
I want to drive the road and down the road and see what it
Let's go. Let's hop in the bucket seats. Oh, where should I sit, bro?
Hey, make yourself comfortable, bro.
Make yourself comfortable. Oh,
you scared me, dude. Why are you making noises like that? I thought like some shit happened.
Let's see how it drives. Look at him on the bucket. It must be hard to use the clutch on that.
Not really, to be honest.
No?
It's set perfect. These bucket seats are adjustable. What would you need?
I'm excited to see how fast it goes.
I'm not going full speed right now, so yeah.
Why?
What do you mean? I'm scared. I'm gonna be chilling, making sure my wheels aren't about to
Is it because you're always sitting on a bucket?
Probably.
If we wrecked, I'd be so
We'd all be fucked.
the guy literally go through the windshield.
Even the people.
The whole wheel sticks out.
I think if a wheel fell off, this thing would flip.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
And we would just tumble.
We have no seatbelts and no seats.
We'd look like scrambled eggs by the end of it.
Yeah.
That's what I like.
Really insane how big this thing sits. It looks wild, bro. This thing looks crazy. I need a freaking bucket. Where's my bucket? You're so selfish. Let me use that.
You ain't got that luxury.
Let me use that. So it's the next day. We decided to take out the jet ski. We got a canal right by our house and we haven't really tested it out yet, but we're about to drop my jet ski in the water and we're gonna go wakeboarding, so hopefully it's fun. He's so slow. Poor Max all the way back there. What's up? This is a nice little ramp. It's perfect.
That's so convenient.
Probably now.
Yeah, probably.
So I haven't taken this thing out in a minute and this thing freaking rips. I haven't taken this ski out in like 3 or 4 months and it's just ripping. Here, look at it. Oh shit. That's all you. The reverse is on your right. You don't really need it though. Unless you're a pussy. Flying. Ripping.
I'm trying to flip this thing.
You don't even got the wristband on. Nah, put that on. So we're at my neighbor's ramp right now. This is right next to my house, and he's ripping right now. Actual neighbor.
Oh, he's gonna show off. He's gonna show off.
Show off for the camera real quick.
Dude, it was such a good call that you saw that my wrist thing.
I know, you were ripping, you didn't even have the wrist thing
Dude,
on.
if I fell off, it would have ran into the wall.
Yeah.
Content.
No. Cause your paycheck.
Bitch, I don't get no paychecks. I wish. Yo, hey, check this out.
Throw her ass in. Oh!
Princess! You don't learn how to swim. Come on! Come on! She ain't never swum before.
No way.
She ain't never swum before. What? Bro,
You gotta throw her in though.
It's a dog. She'll learn. No.
Alright. Hey, I'm gonna jump again. Alright, here we go, boys. Wake to wake. Almost. So we're thinking about building like a ramp on the side, like near where it's shallow. We'd have to, I don't know how we build it, but I'm sure we could figure it out. Just put like some 4x4s in and then build it. So let me know what you think about that. I think that'd be pretty sick. And we literally have like a little wakeboard park in our backyard. Maybe set up a rail one day, but if you like that idea, give me a comment. Let me know if you want to see that. All right, y'all, so as you can tell, it's dark out. We had a good day, successful day. We got the wheels mounted up, but that's gonna be a wrap for this video. Next video, I'm gonna be working on the HELLCAT, pulling this thing apart. As you guys saw, that I'm having problems with my motor. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Peace.
Bye.